In this video, we will show you how to operate the Ronin-S. Before using the Ronin-S, assemble and balance the Ronin-S. For more details about balancing, watch the Ronin-S Balance Adjustment tutorial video. Press the grip power button once to turn on the grip. Then press and hold the gimbal power button for several seconds. When a beep is heard, the Ronin-S is powered on. Thanks to the unlimited movement of the pan axis, the Ronin-S is capable of performing a continuous 360-degree rotation. Launch the Ronin app. Go to Configuration, Control Settings, Channels, remap Channel 3 to the roll axis, and set the Channel 1 and Channel 2 to NA. Then press and hold the trigger. Hold the Ronin-S horizontally to enter flashlight mode. Double press the trigger to recenter the gimbal. Push the joystick left or right to get the gimbal rolling continuously. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.